Welcome to our kitchen. Today we prepare an ancient Roman sweet recipe. Dates stuffed with walnuts and pine nuts. We need some dates. Choose a large and soft type like medjool. Then we need walnuts, pine nuts, honey, black pepper and salt. First we grind in the mortar the black pepper, then we add the walnuts and pine nuts. The quantity of the ingredients depends on the size of the dates and therefore how much you can stuff them. We suggest using half walnuts and half pine nuts, and salt and pepper in moderation. This recipe is one of the few sweets from the collection attributed to Marcus Gavius Apicius, the most important source of ancient Roman recipes. This bite-sized dessert is a good example of the fine equilibrium of the ancient Roman plates. The dates coated with honey are balanced by a stuffing with no sweeteners and a pinch of salt. Now we cut the date and remove the stone. We make a cut along the entire length of the date. Then we stuff the dates, pressing the filling carefully and with enough pressure to make it stick to the date. The original recipe doesn't tell us the quantity of walnuts and pine nuts paste for each date. We prefer a good amount, but if we stuff them too much, they will open during the cooking. Now we grind the coarse sea salt in the mortar. You can just use fine salt, but we prefer the irregular grain size that we obtain with the mortar. We sprinkle just a pinch of salt on the dates, and let them rest for a few minutes. Meanwhile, we pour the honey in a pot and cook it at low heat until it's reduced by about 20% in volume. This value can change depending on the water content of the honey you use. But this dish doesn't need such precision. A softer or harder honey coating will be delicious anyway. Then we add the stuffed dates and cook them just until they are fully coated with honey. It takes no more than 20 seconds. We add the second batch of dates, turning them carefully. The stuffing can easily separate from the date. We let the dates cool and then plate. This quick and easy dish is a sweet and delicious ending for an ancient Roman meal.